Welcome back, everyone. Saturday, September 2nd. Got a few surfers out there catching some waves. Lifeguards are full in effect. David should be coming by the office today at Son las 12 forestry. Gracias! For his free board today. Labor Day weekend already starting to heat up, although we got a little bit of rain. Tiny bit of rain, not too much. Ow, motherfucker, chucker. That's some beautiful, nice rolling glass waves out there. I think I've seen a seaweed. I thought it was a seal. Yeah. Blue just tripped me, stubbed my toe. Hopefully the sun will come out. It's supposed to be done raining at 10. 10, I tell you. It's supposed to be done raining at 10. 10. So Primo and I, maybe David, I guess he can drive on the beach. Primo and I are gonna plan on heading out to the ship out there. Try to get David to go with. I'll probably take my phone, because I want to get a video when I'm way out there to the shore. Should be a big, beautiful, monster beautiful weekend this weekend. Didn't make it downtown last night. Primo wore me out. He's a good dude. Nice, beautiful rollers right there. I got to go in and get some tamales in me, some garlic, so I got some power for today. Hopefully he'll peel out them clams again. That's a nice, beautiful, beautiful glass rollers right there. Wow, I love them right there. They're so perfect for me. Just these little breakers right here. Coming right in right there. I love that ones right there. Little 3-footers. Slick as glass. And then you follow the board and pop right back up and back in again. Yeah, it's gonna be an epic day. No, Frio. People are already starting to get some little places right here along the water. Yeah, drink your beer at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. Actually, you can drink beer. Look at that beautiful one right there. Oh, man. Lifeguards are out in effect. Got some horses right there. Ready to ride. Hopefully you guys make it down here this weekend. It's gonna be a beautiful, gorgeous weekend, even though it's raining right now. It's not gonna be raining later. I promise. It said 10. It's finished at 10. 10, I tell you. But yeah, big weekend, Labor Day weekend. Other than Independence Day coming up here on the 15, 16, 17. Well, it's party all month for me because, well, I'll be loving Mexico, so. Blue's first day off the leash. He was doing really well, running all around, doing great. Then he ate 3 horse apples, got locked up again. 42. He was doing good. Running along, staying along daddy, running with daddy, walking with daddy, being right next to daddy. Didn't do nothing until he saw them horse apples. But I showed him some more apples. But I don't think he's gonna want to eat the horse apples anymore. I can only hope he's not going to. someone, not saying any names, told me they don't make the dog sick. I beg to differ. Any kind of poop can make sick. Missed that one, missed that one, and that one. Missed the more pieces right there. Oh, another thing that we noticed. All that foreign dirt that you brought in for the beach fest, you threw rocks. All kinds of foreign rocks on the beach. All the way from the public beach all the way down to Quintas and farther than that. So yeah, dirty. Look at this. Trash still strewn on the beach. You picked it up, huh? Picked it up. Sure doesn't look like you picked it up. Looks like it's still here. So yeah, maybe we ought to get somebody down here and do a little more cleanup, unless I have to do it tomorrow or after the big weekend. No mueve. Mueve. Hey, cállate, cállate. Hip, hip. There's some more down there. Some more pieces right there. And all the bags that are filled that rusted, throwing all the rocks down here. So skimboarders like Primo can't skimboard. Well, you can. You just mess your board up, put a bunch of holes in it. And here we go. Here's a good example of cleaning up after yourself here. I'm not really proud of the Beach Fest and what they do. Destroy and litter the beach with rocks and bags. Still stuck there. A week or two later, I gotta go and pick it up. All through here. All through this area. Gotta bring my shovel and dig down in there and make a big deal out of it. Just because he didn't want to pick it up. Didn't want to pick it up, huh? Couldn't bend over and pick him up. Couldn't bend over. Yeah, look at that. Look at that piece right there. Huh? Moving right along. And up the rest of the burlap plastic bags. Got a little church thing. Let's see if we can go on right here. Another one. Oh, David. Didn't even see us. Oh, he's going out there. You tell me going out there, you're going out there. Whoa, he ain't selling that board. Perro, perro. Everybody's listo. You got some beautiful, nice ones right there. They got a little fence around the little thing right there, so the water can't get up in there. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty good idea. You got some baseball going on. Come on, son. A lot of people coming down to the beach already. Thinking there's gonna be sunshine out. I'll leave this group of people right here cleaning the beach. I love it when I see people cleaning the beach. Two little girls are cleaning, people, that whole family right there are cleaning. Everybody's cleaning. Gracias. Gracias. Anybody that picks up stuff know how hard it is to clean the beach. That's why I like to do it on Monday, right after the big people come and big weekend. Gracias. So other people do come down and clean. This is Saturday morning, so what a beautiful, perfect day to clean and get ready for today. Oh, all the people from everywhere. San Diego, Tijuana. Hopefully some people, I don't think anybody's coming from Ensenada, pero I hope they do. I was just trying to have the nicest, cleanest beach that we can. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. I'm pretty sure we're going out, way out. We're going way out. Primo's already out here. Seeing if he can fly his kite and think, oh, he's just out there. His bike, I don't know if that's even him. Just basically waiting for David to come and get his board at noon, and then we'll be down here, although I'd love to be out there right now. It's super, super, super duper nice. Just pop right out there real quick, glassy waves. I want to reschedule, and I wish he would have saw me right there. I could also just bring him down to him. Since I know he's working, I could bring the board down to him, then I could be in the water faster. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Look at that big old monster. So yeah, Primo wants to be right down here. Well, I like to be right there in front of the two buildings. Right there. I like to be right out there. You see how them waves are almost perfect? You get one more wave set right here, they all turn into monsters. This all monster wave right there. That's what I had to go yesterday. I was like, ah! You're gonna kill me! It's so huge right there. It doesn't get so huge, like the breaking point right there. So huge. That this wave, they change. Look at that. Wow, monster. Look at that. He wants me to go and he can pop up and catch some waves real quick. But I can't. That's why I like to be right over there in front of these two buildings where them waves are breaking different. A little breaker thing in there. I know they probably got Food Patrol. Look at that monster. This is a rose. And it just like rip, rap, row. I mean, just terrorizes you. Just sends you on a somersault roll. The water goes all the way back out there. It drains like that, and it makes that big monster wave right there. It's so crazy. And that's well, Primo's been out all night and working and getting clams or whatever. He ain't gonna be out until later anyway. I wish I would be out there right now trying to get some clams. Looks like a perfect time. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. We'll be back here a little bit later. We're gonna meet up with Davey. You gotta get him that board. I wanna see him get out in the water. Look at that big old monster right there. Hey, quit eating that. Now he's eating sand. Acts like I don't feed him enough. Crazy dog. Alright guys, hopefully we'll see you at the beach this weekend. Be safe out there. Don't party too hardy.